Hi guys, welcome back to BERYLAWESFASHION Fashion channel. In this video we'll be learning how to draft basic sleep pattern the easiest way. Although in the past I've done one video on it, but I feel I should share this with you again. Very simple. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly go ahead and do so. And also remember to put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload new video, you will be notified. So let's get started. So what are the measurements we will be needing? We need our sleeve length, we need our biceps round sleeve, or you can call it your top arm circumference. We need the elbow length in case you want to use it, your elbow length. We need the wrist measurement, and our armhole circumference will be gotten from our basic sleep pattern. So we are going to be starting from the top line here and measure our sleeve length, which is 25.5. Our sleeve length is 25.5. Whatever yours is, that is what you will put. So the next measurement we are going to take from the head here, this is the top line, is our round sleeve, which is the top arm. The top arm we are working with is 14 inches. We are going to be drafting our sleeve inside this box here. So the first thing we will do now that we have gotten this box is to divide it into 4. So altogether we have 14 into 4, we'll be having 3.5. Divided by 4, we'll be having 3.5. And we rule that. So the first one will be our front. This is our back. And this one will be the middle of the sleeve, which is straight green. So the next thing we are going to get is our carb height. To get our carb height is, we measure our armhole circumference, the total of it, both the front and the back. You can either use your tape rule or you use flexible roller. It will still give you the same measurement. So you measure round. This way. Okay, I have 36 centimeters. So whatever yours is, you find 1/3 of 46 centimeters minus 1 cm. Whatever you get is your biceps. So I have 14.33. Come up here and measure 14.3. 1, 2, 3. and we are going to rule it. Okay, so how do we get the crown? To get the crown for the front, what we will do is you are going to get 1/12 of your total armhole circumference. Remember, our total armhole circumference is 46 centimeters. So plus 2 cm will give us the crown for the front. So when I calculated it, I got 5.83. 5.83. This is 5.8. Then for the back, this is front. This is total armhole circumference. And for the back, 1/6 of the armhole circumference plus 1.5. When I did the calculation, I got 9.16. Sorry, here 9.16. So what I'm going to do now is to connect from here to here, from here to here, and I'm going to do that with the help of my curve ruler. So look at the way I'm connecting it. Connect it this way. And change your curve ruler this way and join to this point. Then the front side, you are going to do the same thing. You can see how easy it is to connect with the help of the curve ruler. Our sleeve is ready. This is the front, this is the back. So the next thing we want to do is, this is long sleeve. We are going to impute our round sleeve, our wrist measurement, and our wrist measurement is 9.5. So half of 9.5, sorry, is 9.5. 9.5. Half of it will be 4:45. Yes. From the center line here, 9.5 divided by 2, quarter of, that will give us 4.75. So it's here, from here, 4.75. And we are going to rule from here. We are going to connect it to this side. So this is our sleeve, but in case you want your short sleeve elbow length, what you just need to do is to impute whatever your elbow length is. The one I'm working with is 14 inches. And for my short sleeve, I usually measure from the biceps line 4 inches, sorry. That gives me my short sleeve. And you can measure it on your client. So this is our sleeve. With this sleeve now, you can adapt it to any other type of sleeve. So when we are done like this, you cross check the crown again. We want to make sure that it tallies with the armhole, total armhole circumference. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So I'm going to expose you to how to make a perfect sleeve. I once had problem with how to fix sleeve, as I posted it yesterday on the group. So with the help of this method I'm teaching you, you'll be able to say bye-bye to sleeve and armhole issue. So I'm having 6.5. So we have just 0.5 cm difference. So with this, it will fit perfectly. So what you just need to do is to ease it in. But sometimes the difference might be much. If the difference is much, what you just need to do is to slash this line and place this on top of this. Just know the difference that you are having. In case you are having maybe 1 cm difference, 1 cm more than your round armhole circumference, what you just need is to place it on this. But if it's shorter, just slash it and spread it a bit, and that gives you your perfect sleeve. Thank you very much, and if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe, share this video, make comments, let me know how you feel about it, and share this video with your friends. Till we meet again, thanks.